Digital marketing channels are essential for brand growth and customer engagement. Utilizing platforms like social media, email, and search engines allows businesses to connect with audiences effectively. These channels provide real-time insights, enabling precise targeting and measurable return on investment, crucial for optimizing marketing strategies in today's digital landscape. Digital marketing promotes brands through digital platforms like websites, social media, and search engines. It reaches customers on devices they use daily, offering real-time insights for instant campaign performance analysis. With precise targeting, marketers can reach specific audiences, ensuring measurable return on investment by tracking and optimizing every dollar spent. Digital marketing channels are crucial for delivering messages efficiently to target audiences at optimal moments. Each channel, from Instagram's visual storytelling to LinkedIn's professional networking, reaches unique user groups. By integrating multiple channels, businesses can create a cohesive strategy that guides leads through awareness, consideration, and conversion, enhancing brand visibility. Owned digital channels, like your website, blog, and email list, are crucial assets. They offer complete control over your brand messaging and facilitate direct communication with your audience. These channels form the backbone of your digital presence, enabling you to engage effectively and build lasting relationships with your target market. Your website is your digital storefront, crucial for brand identity and customer conversion. Prioritize speed and performance to reduce bounce rates. Ensure mobile optimization for seamless browsing. Intuitive navigation guides visitors effectively. SEMrush exemplifies success by attracting millions with valuable search engine optimization tools and educational content, building credibility and supporting diverse campaigns while maintaining control over brand messaging. Content marketing leverages educational blog posts, engaging videos, and podcasts to build trust and long-term relationships. It complements search engine optimization and social media, amplifying reach. The New York Times Wirecutter exemplifies this by using detailed product reviews and guides to drive affiliate sales, aiding consumers in making informed decisions. Email marketing offers a $42 return on investment for every $1 spent, reaching 4.2 billion users globally. Key strategies include segmentation by behavior and demographics, personalization using names and purchase history, and automation with tools like MailChimp. Optimization through tracking metrics enhances effectiveness. Patagonia excels by highlighting sustainable products and customer stories, fostering loyalty. Paid digital channels, like pay-per-click and social media ads, require budget allocation to rapidly engage audiences. Earned channels, such as search engine optimization and public relations, focus on organic growth through content optimization and strategic partnerships. Combining these approaches amplifies brand reach and credibility, creating a synergistic effect that enhances overall marketing effectiveness. Search engine optimization captures user intent by optimizing website content, structure, and authority to rank higher in search engines. Key elements include keyword research, on-page optimization, technical search engine optimization, link building, and content creation. Charles Schwab's optimized Roth Individual Retirement Account page exemplifies success, attracting 327,000 monthly visitors. 68% of online experiences start with a search engine. Pay-per-click advertising offers instant visibility by placing paid ads on platforms like Google and Facebook. It allows precise control over budgets and targeting, delivering immediate results. Businesses can track performance metrics, ensuring every dollar is optimized. With an average return on investment of $2 for every $1 spent, pay-per-click effectively captures high-intent clicks, driving conversions. Social media marketing harnesses platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok to engage billions. Instagram and Pinterest excel in visual storytelling, while LinkedIn connects business-to-business brands with professionals. TikTok and YouTube Shorts offer viral engagement. Facebook fosters community building. Duolingo's humorous TikTok content exemplifies success, driving app downloads and engagement through relatable viral moments. Affiliate and influencer marketing leverages trusted voices to amplify brand reach. By partnering with aligned creators, brands gain authentic reviews and recommendations. Payment is performance-based, ensuring cost-effectiveness. With a $13 billion market value in 2023, 89% of marketers find its return on investment comparable to other channels, driving measurable leads through platforms like TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. Emerging channels in digital marketing include mobile and video marketing. Mobile marketing leverages apps, SMS, and push notifications to engage users on the go. Video marketing utilizes platforms like YouTube and TikTok for storytelling and product demonstrations. These channels enhance brand visibility and engagement, crucial for staying competitive in the evolving digital landscape. Mobile marketing leverages smartphones and tablets through apps, short message service, push notifications, and mobile wallets for seamless transactions. Video marketing utilizes platforms like YouTube and TikTok for storytelling, product demos, and live streaming, enhancing engagement. With 85% of internet users watching videos monthly, integrating these strategies is crucial for effective digital marketing. Strategic channel integration is crucial for digital marketing success. In the awareness stage, leverage search engine optimization, social media, and content marketing to attract new audiences. During consideration, use content marketing and retargeting to educate prospects. For conversion, employ pay-per-click and optimized landing pages. Maintain loyalty through personalized experiences. Utilize analytics for real-time optimization and prepare for artificial intelligence and immersive technology advancements. Research your audience's demographics, behaviors, and preferences to select effective channels. Create content that solves problems, not just promotes. Use data insights to refine strategies. Digital marketing channels can grow your brand and achieve measurable results. Consider certifications like Google's Digital Marketing and E-commerce Professional Certificate to deepen your expertise.